Sedan. A sedan is a common four-door car with a separate trunk space at the back. It is designed mainly for comfort and daily use, often used by families and office workers. Sedans are popular because they offer a smooth ride, good fuel efficiency, and enough space for passengers without being too large. Hatchback. A hatchback has a rear door that opens upward, combining the passenger area and cargo space into one. This design makes it easy to load items and gives more flexibility for storage. Hatchbacks are usually smaller, making them perfect for city driving and tight parking spaces. SUV. An SUV, or sport utility vehicle, is a larger car with higher ground clearance and a strong body. It is built for both city roads and rough terrain, often with more seating and storage space. SUVs are popular for families and travelers because they feel safer and handle different road conditions well. Coupe. A coupe is a stylish car with two doors and a sporty look. It usually has a lower roof and a more compact body compared to a sedan. Coupes focus more on design and performance rather than practicality, often appealing to drivers who enjoy a sleek and modern appearance. Convertible. A convertible is a car with a roof that can be folded down or removed. This allows drivers to enjoy open-air driving, especially in good weather. Convertibles are often seen as fun and luxurious, offering a unique driving experience compared to regular cars. Pickup truck. A pickup truck has a closed cabin and an open cargo area at the back called a bed. It is designed to carry heavy loads, tools, or equipment. Pickup trucks are widely used for work purposes, especially in construction and farming, but are also popular for everyday use in some regions. Van. A van is a large vehicle designed to carry many passengers or a lot of cargo. It usually has a boxy shape with plenty of interior space. Vans are commonly used by families, businesses, and for transport services because of their capacity and practicality. Sports car. A sports car is built for speed, performance, and driving excitement. It often has a powerful engine, low height, and aerodynamic design. Sports cars are not always the most practical, but they are valued for their fast acceleration and stylish look. Electric car. An electric car runs on electricity instead of fuel, using a battery and electric motor. It produces no direct emissions and is considered environmentally friendly. Electric cars are becoming more common as people look for cleaner and quieter transportation options. Hybrid car. A hybrid car uses both a fuel engine and an electric motor. It switches between the two or uses them together to improve fuel efficiency. Hybrid cars are important because they help reduce fuel consumption while still offering the convenience of traditional engines. Luxury car. A luxury car focuses on comfort, advanced features, and high-quality materials. It often includes premium interiors, smooth driving, and the latest technology. Luxury cars are designed to provide a more refined and enjoyable experience for both drivers and passengers. Off-road vehicle. An off-road vehicle is built to handle rough surfaces like dirt, sand, and rocky paths. It usually has strong tires, high ground clearance, and special suspension systems. These vehicles are important for adventure driving and for areas where normal cars cannot easily travel.